The white fringe tree, Chionanthus virginicus, is a beautiful deciduous tree known for its delicate white flowers that resemble fringes. Here are the steps to plant and grow a white fringe tree. Choose the right location. Sunlight. Select a spot that receives full sun to partial shade. White fringe trees can tolerate some shade but perform best in full sun. Soil. Ensure the soil is well draining and fertile. The tree can adapt to a range of soil types but prefers moist, loamy soil. Space. Consider the mature size of the tree and provide ample space for it to grow and spread its branches. Planting. Timing. The best time to plant a white fringe tree is in the spring or fall when the weather is mild. Digging the hole. Dig a hole that is wider and slightly shallower than the root ball of the tree. Root ball placement. Place the tree in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the ground surface. Watering. Water the tree thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and provide hydration to the roots. Watering and moisture. Watering. Provide regular watering, especially during the first year after planting, to help establish a strong root system. Water deeply, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning. Minimal pruning is required for white fringe trees. If needed, prune during the dormant season to remove dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Avoid heavy pruning, as it may reduce flower production. Fertilization. White fringe trees generally do not require heavy fertilization. However, if the soil is lacking in nutrients, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Propagation. White fringe trees can be propagated from seeds or through softwood cuttings. Seeds. Collect ripe seeds in the fall and sow them immediately in well-draining soil. Cold stratification may be required for successful germination. Cuttings. Take softwood cuttings in early summer and root them in a suitable rooting medium. By following these guidelines, you can successfully plant and grow a beautiful white fringe tree in your garden. Enjoy the graceful fringed flowers and the elegance it brings to your landscape.